new chapter in English 2, class 3, chapter number 2. What is the name of the chapter? Nouns. Now, what is a noun? Noun क्या होता है? In Hindi we can say संज्ञा. What is noun? Nouns are the naming words. They are the naming words. For example, a name of a person, name of place, animal or thing. What are the naming words? Name of person, place, animal or things. This is called the noun. Noun क्या होते हैं? किसी person का नाम, किसी place का नाम, किसी animal का या किसी thing का नाम. This is called the nouns. Now children, if I write a sentence or some words, can you please tell me what is a noun in that? Means what is the name of person, what is the name of place, animal or thing. Here I am going to write some words and then we are going to just put those words in these columns. So children, here are some names I have written. Now, what is the thing, what is the place, what is the animal and the persons. Now we will just write these names in these place given below. Person, place, animal and thing. Now here the first word we have is cave. Now what is a cave? It is a person's name, it is a place name, animal name or the thing name. It is a thing. We eat cake, so it is a thing. Here we are going to write cake. Next we have chalk. Now what is chalk? See children, it is a piece of chalk with which we can write on the blackboard. So it is a thing. With the help of that we write on the blackboard. So where it will come? It will come under the thing. We will write here chalk. Now we have Riya, Pia. These two are the person's name or the place name or the animal name. So children, it will come under the person's name because it is the name of a person. So we will write under the person's name. हम कहाँ लिखेंगे? Under the person's name. Riya and Diya. Now children, next we have Agra and Goa. Now Agra is an animal or a place. So it is a place. Agra is a place and in Agra what is situated? It is the Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. So where we will write Agra? At the place. And we are going to write Goa also under the place because it is a city. So the cities comes where? At the place. So we are right here Goa. Next we have dog and elephant. Now where we will write dog and elephant? They are the animals. Dog or elephant क्या है? They are the animals. So where we will write? Under the box that is animals and we are writing here. First we will write dog, second we have elephant. So children, what is a noun? Noun are the naming words. Whose name? Person's name, place name, animal's name or thing's name. So children, in your textbook on page number 14, you have exercise 1. noun in the following sentences. Now, in your textbook on page number 14, you have the question. Underline the noun in the following sentence. A sentence may have more than one naming word. One has been done for you. Now, there are the sentences given to you. In that, there can be more than one naming word or one naming word. अब आपको उसमें ढूंढना है कि उसमें एक नेमिंग वर्ड है या एक से ज्यादा नेमिंग वर्ड है. So children, we will do exercise 1, question number 1. We have first one is done for us. The tiger is hungry. Tiger किसका नेम है? It is the name of the animal. इसलिए उसे हमने अंडरलाइन किया है. Next we have the boys go out to play. Now where the boys have gone? They have gone out to play. तो इसमें किसके लिए बात हो रही है? For the boys. So what is the noun? That is boys. In the second one, B part, we have to underline the boys. The boys go out to play. So we are going to underline boys. Like this children. C part we have the cow eat grass. For whom we are talking? For the cow. Grass कौन खाता है? Cow खाती है. So what is the noun? The cow. Cow क्यों noun है? Because it is the name of an animal. Next we have the girls go to school every day. Now in the next sentence we have the girls go to school every day. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? About the girls. That is the name of a person. And there is one more noun. वो कहाँ पर जाती है? The place is given. Where they go? They go to school. So we have to underline girls and school in the D part. Like E and F you have to do as your homework. The E question is a monkey eats a banana on the tree. For whom we are talking? For the monkey. Next we have the butterfly flies onto a flower. Where does the butterfly flies? They fly on the flower. So for whom we are talking? For the butterfly. Coming to the next exercise. Exercise 2. Page number 15. Look here everyone. Page number 15 in your textbook. Question we have. Write down the name of things in your classroom. In the first question you have to write the names of the things which you have in your classroom. For example, chalk, blackboard, benches, desk, chair, cupboard, almirah. These all are the things. In the next question you have, write down the names of things in the street you travel. When you or while you are traveling to a street, आप अपने घर के पास से बाहर मार्केट में आते हैं. What things you see? The shops, the vehicles, garden. These all are the things which you see on the street. So you have to write down these things in your textbook on page number 15. Next you have the question. Write down the name of things in the playground where you play. Now you all are going in the evening to the playground to play. अब आप playground में क्या क्या चीजें देखते हैं? That you have to write. Okay children? Means you see the seesaw, the benches, the swings, the trees, grass, children. These all are the things you see in the playground. Trees. Next we have write 3 sentences each containing the name of a person. Now you have to write the 3 sentences in which there should be the name of a person. For example, Riya is a good girl. Amit's handwriting is beautiful. And one sentence you can make, that is, my mother cooks tasty food. Okay children? Now, next you have write 3 sentences each containing the name of an animal. Now with the help of animal's name, you have to make the 3 sentences. I will tell you one example. dog is a loyal animal. Now, what is the quality of the animal? The adjective. What is the quality? He is loyal. And for whom we are talking about the dog. So it is a noun. Dog क्या है? Noun, because it is the name of an animal. Like this, you have to make the 3 sentences by your own. Write 3 sentences, each containing the name of a place. The next question you have is you have to just write the name of a place and you have to make a sentence. For example, Red Fort is situated in New Delhi. So Red Fort कहाँ पर है? It is in New Delhi. So what is the place? New Delhi. Next you have Taj Mahal is situated in Agra. Where is Taj Mahal situated? It is in Agra. So what is the name of the place? Agra. So like this, children, you have to make the 3 sentences of your own. Coming to the page number 16. Last question we have, write 3 sentences, each containing the name of the thing. Now you have to make the 3 sentences and they should be containing the name of a thing. For example, I write with pencil. So what is the thing with I write with pencil. तो pencil क्या है? It is a thing. I have a beautiful dress. So what is the thing here? It is a dress. Like this, you have to make 3 sentences of your own, which have the things in it. Now, children, we will learn types of noun. What we are going to learn? Types of noun. So children, we will just learn the types of noun. We have 3 types of noun. First is proper noun. Common noun, and the last one is collective noun. Now children, what is a proper noun, common noun and collective noun? Proper noun क्या होता है, common noun क्या होता है, collective noun क्या होता है? So first we will learn about the proper noun. Proper noun क्या है? If we are talking about some person and if we give them a particular name, जब हम किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं and it is a unique name. For example, you all have your own names. So that is a proper noun because you all have your own names. For example, if I am talking about Amit. Amit is a good boy. I write here example. Amit is a good boy. So children, in this, what is the proper noun? The name of a person. What is the name of a person? Amit. So it is a proper noun. Some person's name, some place name, the river's name, the month's name, the day's name, or some planet's name. These all are the animal's name or the place's name. They are the proper noun. For example, Delhi, Goa, Bombay, Earth, Sun, Amit, Riya, Ankit. These all are the proper names. Some places name, Jaipur, Udaipur, Agra. These all are the proper noun. But what is a common noun? When we use, for example, here it is Amit is a good boy. If I write boy, it is a common noun. Boys क्या होगा? can be any boy. If I write boy, girl, children, or if I write rivers, monuments, these all are the common noun which can be anything, जिसका कुछ भी नाम हो सकता है. अगर यहाँ पर हमें अमित नहीं दिया होता और अगर अमित की जगह यहाँ पे सिर्फ बॉय लिखा होता, कैन यू जस्ट टेल मी कि व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट बॉय? नहीं. सो इट इज अ कॉमन नाउन, बट द अमित इज गिवन मीन्स द नेम इज गिवन टू अ person, so it is a proper noun. And what is a common noun? Girl, boy, for rivers, days, these all are the common nouns. अगर यहाँ पर Monday लिखा होता, so it is a proper noun. Or if I write a sentence and say, on some day I went to park. On some day, I didn't have mentioned the day. It may be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or anything. So if I write here on some day, it is a common noun because someday it can be any day. But I write I went to park on Monday. So Monday is a proper noun. So children, next we have the collective nouns. What are the collective nouns? Collective nouns क्या होते हैं? For example, if we have anything in a group, that is the collective noun. You all have seen the grapes. आप सबने grapes देखे हैं? They are coming in a bunch. वो कैसे आते हैं? In a bunch. Because if we buy grapes, can you buy one grape? If you go and ask a fruit seller, please give me one grape. Will he give you a single grape? No. He will give you a bunch of grapes. So, when we are talking about something in a whole or a collective manner, that is a collective noun. For example, grapes, a bunch of grapes. So, how we will write? A bunch of grapes. So children, we are talking about the grapes and they are in a bunch. कैसे आते हैं वो? They are in a bunch. एक साथ बहुत सारे. That is only the collective noun. Collective noun defines the group of people, animals or things. What does the collective noun defines? Group of people, group of animals or group of things. Some examples are given in your textbook. A swarm of bees. Now when a bees moves in a group, जब एक साथ बहुत सारी bees move करती है, what we call to them? We call swarm of bees. Next we have group of birds. What is the group of birds? How we call the group of birds? The flock of birds. Next we have ants. If you see the ants on the floor or where you see the ants? In the sand. So how you will say? Colony of ants. What is the collective noun we are using? The colony of ants. You have seen the soldiers in the soldiers. So how we call? An army of soldiers. We will not say a group of soldiers. We will say army of soldiers. Have you all seen the cattle? आपने cattle देखे हैं? हमारे गांव में fields पे जो animals होते हैं, बहुत सारी cows, buffaloes, goats. What are those called? Goats. They are the herd of cattle, a group of cattle. You all have seen the keys at your home. आपने एक साथ में एक ही key lock में बहुत सारी keys देखी होगी. So how we will call? We will call the bunch of keys. So children, what are proper noun, common noun and collective noun? Proper noun are the nouns that is the name of a person, place of a place, animal or thing. But what are common nouns? It can be if I write on that day I went to some place, or a boy, girl. These all are the common nouns. What are collective nouns? When we are talking about the animals, person and things in a group. When we are talking in a group for the animal, place and persons or thing, that is a collective noun. So children, you like this, you have to complete your exercise. given box. So children, like this you have to complete the exercise 4. In this you have to write the collective noun for the following. So children, coming to the page number 18, we have the book exercises. Okay, here we have the exercise 1, that is fill in the blanks with common and proper nouns given below. One has been done for you. Now in this, what you have to write? You have to write the common and the proper nouns from the box given to you. First we have, today is Sunday, we all are at the zoo. There are many animals. In the zoo, the lion is sleeping in his cage. Where the lion is sleeping? In the cage. His name is Leo. The zookeeper, Mr. Johnson, comes with his food. Leo wakes up with a roar and scares little girls and boys like me away. Now, like this you have exercise 2. Pick the correct common noun for the proper noun given below. Now you have to take the common nouns, but the proper nouns are given to you. First is the Ria, it is the name of person. Second we have Wednesday, it is a day. Third we have Ganga, it is the river. Fourth we have Mahendra Singh Dhoni, he is the cricketer. Fifth we have E part, Hindustan Times, it is the newspaper. And the F part we have is the Delhi, it is the city. Coming to the exercise 3, page number 19. Circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns in the following sentences. Now you have to circle the proper noun and underline the common nouns. First is, the earth is the only planet in the solar system that has life. So what is the proper noun? Earth. And what is the common noun? Planet. Okay children, this is the earth proper noun and the planet common noun. Coming to the page number 20, we have Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Now Shah Jahan is the name of a person, Taj Mahal is the monument, and wife is the common noun, so we have underlined. Mumtaz Mahal is the name of a person, so we have circled because we have to circle the proper noun and underline the common noun. Like this you have to complete till F part. Okay children. Next we have the collective nouns. We have read about a swarm of bees, a flock of birds, colony of ants, an army of soldiers, a herd of cattle, a bunch of keys. Coming to the next page, page number 21, exercise 4. Write the collective nouns for the following. Choose word from the box given below. Now here are the words in the box and you have to just choose the words and fill in the blanks. The first is you have to write the collective nouns for these. A batch of bread, a pods of peas and a bunch of bananas, a school of fish, a pride of lions, army of ants, a class of students, a litter of dogs, a constellation of stars. Like this you have to also do this exercise 4 in your textbook. Last question, we have question number 5. Pick out the nouns in the following sentences. Write whether they are common, proper or collective noun in the given space. Now you just have to choose whether they are common, proper or collective nouns. I saw the Taj Mahal last year. When I saw the Taj Mahal? Last year. So what is here? It is a monument and monument is Taj Mahal. So you will write here Taj Mahal and at front you will write proper noun. आप क्या लिखोगे? पहले ताज महल लिखोगे and then you will write proper noun. Second you have Sam broke the vase. किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Sam के बारे में. So it is the name of a person. You will write Sam and in bracket you will write proper noun. Like this you have to do the C, D and E, F part also. I hope children you all have understood what are nouns and what are the types of nouns. Nouns are the naming words and the types of noun. There are 3 types of noun: proper, common and collective noun. So children you have to complete your book exercise in your textbook. I hope nouns and types of nouns are clear to you. Thank you.